Okay, let's get started. Let's look at the CrossFit workout that we are going to do today. So it's an AMRAP again, this time for 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, you are going to repeat the movements and keep going with the flow. The first movement is your snatch. Let's practice snatch. Bring one dumbbell along or water bottle along. Just watch the snatch movement. So we are going to do single hand snatch. One hand is out, legs are shoulder width apart, knees are soft. Okay. Now from here, you go down, snatch and lift it up. Again, go down, snatch and lift it up. Now here, you don't have to go too much down. This much down is okay. Alright, knees bent, back straight. Now from here, lift up and snatch. So this powerful movement of lifting up is what we are looking at. Okay. So you are going to do like this. Down and up. Down and up. Alright. Let's go for it. Practice 2 on each side. Yes. Okay. Change your side. Practice on the other side as well. Yes. Mansi, you are bending your knees. Yes. Yeah. You need to bend your knees. Okay. Alright. The next movement, relax. The next movement is sumo squats to high pulls. So, you are going to hold one single dumbbell here. Okay, like this. You can do it with 2 dumbbells also. So I will show you both this side, both the types. First, keep your legs apart, toes pointing out. Okay. Now you do a deadlift. It's a deadlift. It's not a. So it's sumo squat to high pull. Just let me check the movement. It is sumo squats. Okay, fine. We are not going to do the deadlift. We are going to do the squats. So sumo squats and high pull. Squat, high pull. You can use both the dumbbells, but place them here. Squat, high pull. Squat, high pull. Alright, let's practice the movement. Mansi, you need to lower your camera angle. I'm not able to see your full movement. Yes, Parag, you are doing the deadlifts. The movement is a squat. Okay, first do a sumo squat and then a high pull. Yes, squat, high pull. Yes. Okay, relax everyone. Let's practice our sumo squats first. Hold the dumbbells like this. Legs out, toes pointing out. Squat and come up. Squat and come up. So watch it from the side. If I'm here and my back is not bending down, squat and come up. Okay, let's do it. Yes, better, better. Good, good. Yes. Okay, now practice it with high pulls. Yes. So don't concentrate on taking your hands down. Okay, you need to concentrate on going deep from your hips in the squat. Okay, yes, all right. Okay, let's move to the next movement, which is your KB swings. So you need to lift one dumbbell, legs apart, bend down and up, down and up. Make sure you give that pelvic thrust here and slightly squeeze in your glutes. So don't do movement like this. What you need to do is down and up, down and up, down and up. Alright? You need to thrust it slightly forward. Let's go for it. 5 kb swings right now. Yes, good. Good. All right. Excellent. Okay. Let's come to the last movement. Weighted sprawls. And how are we going to do it? They seem scary. They are not scary at all. Watch it. Hold the dumbbells in both the hands. That's about it. Go down. Keep your body weight. Legs back, legs forward. Come up. Down. Legs back, legs forward. Come up. Okay, simple sprawls, just that your body weight will be on your dumbbells. Let's go for it. If you have bottles, you can do usual sprawls. Okay, don't place your body weight on your bottles. Yes. Yes, Bharat, try it with dumbbells. Yes, good. Relax. Okay. Alright, once more I want everybody to practice sumo squats to high pulls because I felt the movement was not coming as per my expectations. So let's just do sumo squats, everyone, with two dumbbells in the center. Only sumo squats let's do with two dumbbells in the center. Chest out, back straight. Only sumo squats. Parag don't do high pulls, only the squats. Yes, down. Yes. Okay, alright. Now let's combine it with high pulls. Same movement, just that when you come up, you pull it hard. So yes, very good. Fine. There you go, perfect. So I can understand because in the previous sessions we've been doing deadlifts to high pulls. That is the reason your muscle memory tends to do the deadlift. But today we have sumo squats to high pulls and not sumo deadlifts. Okay, let me revise the movements for you quickly. So the first movement is your snatch. Let me just show you the workout. Okay, AMRAP. It is as many rounds as possible. So you do snatch on both the hands, 10 each. Okay, 10 each. After that, you do your sumo squat, high pulls, 10 each. Okay, then you will have to do your KB swings, 10. Okay, yes, and then weighted sprawls, 10. Okay, and you keep doing it for 15 minutes. In between the movement, you can rest for 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. After one round, you can rest somewhere between 20 to 30 seconds, not more than that. Alright? And 15 minutes continuously, you are going to repeat this cycle. Minimum round, 3. Anything above 5 is a good score. Okay, let's go for it. Let me switch on my stopwatch. I'll keep reminding you the movements, don't worry. First is your snatch. Let's get ready with one single dumbbell. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Timer has started. Yes, very nice, good. Yes, Amrish, don't tilt your body, keep one arm straight. Yes, very good, Dipen, excellent. 10 on each. Bharat, don't tilt, keep your arms straight, don't tilt on one side, yes. Yes, good. Okay, after this you have sumo squats and high pulls. Yes, make sure you bend down from your hips. Do a proper squat. Yes, very good, Dipen. Excellent. Good, Amrish, good. Yes. So when you're pulling up, Mansi, make sure your elbows go up. Okay? Hands down like this. Yes, good. 10 of these. Yes, and then KB swings. One single dumbbell, KB swings. Yes, very good, Bharat. Excellent. Very nice, Vikram. Good. Yes, Mansi, bend down from your back, go down and then lift up, down and up, yes. The last one is your weighted sprawls. Mansi, lower your camera angle. I need to see your movements. That is fine. Keep it there only now. Don't move. Weighted sprawls. 10 counts. Very good. Good. Carry on, carry on. So ideally after one round you should rest so that you remain consistent throughout. You don't get tired by the end of the last round. Yes, Parag, you need to snatch it. Show some force while you're snatching it. Yes, good. Excellent, yes. 3 minutes up. You still have 12 minutes. Yes. So you should do a calculation that maybe one round you took 2.5 minutes or 3 minutes. Yes, good Bharat, good. Yes, concentrate on taking your elbows high in the pull. Yes, good. Very nice, Dipen, excellent. Yes, after the snatch you have sumo squats and high pulls. Very good Parag, excellent. Keep that going. Hips down more. Back straight, hips down more in the squats. Yes, good. Carry on, carry on. Yes. Vikram, make sure that elbows go high. Your wrists are down, hands are down. Don't bring it here. Okay, it has to be this posture when you go up. Yes. After that, KB swings. Yes, very good Parag, excellent. Yes, Mansi, lower your camera angle. I need to see your KB swings. Yes, now do it. Okay. Bend more from your back. Back को नीचे लेके जाओ और. So don't bend too much from your hips. Bend from your back. That's for Mansi. Yes, good, good. Vikram, some space between your legs. Don't join your legs in the sprawls. Yes, good. Yes, very nice, Amrish. Good. Faster, faster. Sprawls, faster. Yes. Very nice, Bharat. Very good. Very nice, Parag. Good, good. Good, Mansi. Good. So in the sprawls, Mansi, forget the bottles. Just do normal sprawls on your palms. Okay? 6 minutes up. You must have done 2 rounds. So that at least 2 rounds. That is what I mean. Yes. 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 Good, Mansi. Good. Excellent. Carry on. Yes, very good, Dipen. Excellent. So now in sumo squats, just make sure that you go down, your back is straight. Don't do this. Back is straight. Bend down from your hips. Come up. Pull. Down. Pull. Down. Pull. Yes. So go down from your hips, not from your back. Yes, much better, Mansi. Good. Yes, good, Vikram. Good. Much better. Yes. Yes. Good, Amrish. Bend down more. Amrish, bend down more from your hips. Yes, good. Good, Bharat, good. Go down more. Pull is fine. Squat needs to, need to go down more.
Sprawls and then kettlebell swing.
So you can switch the movement, but it is kettlebell swings and then the sprawls. Yes, after the pulls, you have kettlebell swings and then sprawls. Yes, very good, Parag. Good. Yes, in the sprawls, don't let your legs bend when you take your legs back. Stay in the plank, a strong plank. Your lower body should not go down. Yes, good. Very nice, Amrish. Good sprawls. Excellent. Sprawls should be faster, everyone. This movement faster. No resting when you come up. Again go down. Again come up. Yes. Last 5 minutes. I think you all are done with your third round, or maybe you are doing your third round. And that's a good score if you are done your third round. After one round, do rest for 30 seconds. Keep walking. Have a sip of water. 20 to 30 seconds rest is good enough. Okay. Start with snatch again. On each snatch. Restart. After snatch, you have sumo squats to high pulls. Yes, good. Parag, make sure you take your hips down. Don't bend down from your back. Yes, back straight. Hips down. Yes, good. Better, better. Yes, Vikram, resume. Yes, good, Mansi. Good. Carry on. Yes, very good, Dipen. Excellent. Bend your knees slightly more in the KB swings. Yes. Yes, good Bharat, good. Last 2 minutes. Yes, good Vikram, excellent. Yes, very good. Carry on, don't stop. Last 1.5 minutes. Everyone keep doing some movement of or the other. Even if you're done with, let's say, 4 rounds or 3 rounds, whatever, keep doing it. Even if you feel you won't be able to finish the complete round, you need to keep doing it. Yes, last 1 minute. Let's keep doing anything, any movement that you feel like. Yes, Nancy, carry on. Last 30 seconds. Relax. Okay. 15 minutes, CrossFit done. Relax yourself. So anybody did more than 5 rounds? Okay.
Almost 6.
6. Okay. Bharat? 6. Good, good. All right. So anywhere between 3 to 5 is a good score. So I think most of you did 4 and maybe reached 5 as well. I know that. And above 5 is good. So that is what the expectations for today was. Rest for a minute. Go walk around, have a sip of water. And let's go forward now to strength and conditioning. So in strength and conditioning, like I said, we'll be working on our posterior change, which is back side of the body. So not the upper back, we'll be concentrating on the lower back side. So we have chosen glute bridge, single leg deadlift and leg curl. Okay. So let's begin with glute bridge. How are we going to do it? So we do the movement for 30 seconds and we rest for 15 seconds. And we all will be doing single leg glute bridge. Okay, we won't be doing the full glutes bridge, though the first set we can do it as both the legs down. So just watch it. Hold the dumbbells. So it's going to be rated glutes bridge. So one single dumbbell, place it on your lower abdomen, support it with your hands. Now from here, lift yourself up, pause, come down. Without dropping your hips on the floor, again lift yourself up, pause. So now when you're pausing, you need to squeeze your glutes here. Don't loosen your body. You need to squeeze your glutes here and come down. Okay, let's do it for 30 seconds. The first round is both the legs down and we do the glutes bridge. In the second round, we'll be doing the single leg. Let's get ready. Yes, Amrish, you want to ask something?
I was saying, we hold the glutes bridge or we kind of keep going
No,
up?
you keep going up and down. Slightly pause for 1 second when you go up. Okay? Let's go for it at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. 30 seconds up and down. Yes. Bharat, do it with both the legs on the floor. In the second set, we'll be doing the single leg. Yes. Very good. Pause, come down, pause, come down. Yes. Good. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Now in the second set, we are going to practice single leg glute bridge. So we do 30 seconds on one leg. Okay. And then I'll give you some rest, maybe 10 seconds or so. And then we do 30 seconds on the other leg. So 30 seconds on one leg is the duration. Perhaps slightly lower your camera angle. I should be able to see your entire movement. Okay. Meanwhile, watch it. So first, place your dumbbell here. Place both the legs first down. Don't raise your leg. Lift up your torso. Now, once you have taken the position, from here, take your leg up, down, up, pause, down, up, pause, down. Alright, like this for 30 seconds. Okay? And then we change, we switch to the other leg. Alright? Let's get ready. Lie down. First, lift your glutes bridge up. Both the legs down, lift up. And take one leg up in the air and start. Yes. Very good. Concentrate on taking your torso as high as possible. Yes, carry on, carry on. You might feel strain in your, hamstring muscles or the back of your thigh because that is what is being loaded. Don't worry, carry on. Relax. Okay. Now we do the same movement on the other side. Lift up your torso, be in the glutes bridge, start. The other leg up now, yes. Carry on, carry on. Ten more seconds. Three, two, one. Relax, relax. Okay. Now, in the third set, we are going to hold the glutes bridge. So first, we'll hold with both the legs down. Okay, we hold it for 30 seconds. Then we raise one leg up, we hold it for 15 seconds, bring it down and then raise the other leg. So something like this. You may or may not put the dumbbell on your abdomen, that is optional. If you are able to do the glute bridge just right, then you can increase the intensity by putting some weight on it. So just watch. So first 30 seconds is going to be this hold. Okay. Next 15 seconds, raise one leg up. And then next 15 seconds, raise the other leg up without bringing your torso down. Okay. And finally, just when you are going to bring it down, so just don't drop it like this. You are here, bring your leg down and from here drop it down. Okay. Let's go for it. It's a hold now. Get ready. Both the legs down, lift your glutes bridge up and start. 30 seconds glutes bridge hold. Parag, both the legs are down. First, it's a normal glutes bridge hold. Both the legs down, lift your torso up. Yes. That is the hold for the first 30 seconds. Carry on, carry on. 10 more seconds here. Keep breathing. Yes, very good, Vikram. Now slowly take one leg up without dropping your torso down. Yes, good. Good. Only 15 seconds here. Yes. Hold it, hold it. Squeeze your glutes. Use that power of your glutes. Okay, now bring this leg down. Take the other leg up without dropping your torso down. Excellent work, guys. Hold it, hold it. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Rest. So get up, walk if you wish to. The next movement we are going to do is a single leg deadlift. So in the single leg deadlift, you may hold one single dumbbell, or if you feel you're not confident with the movement, you can do it without weights also. But I think most of you will hold one single dumbbell. Mansi, you can do it with water bottle. So just watch it. How are we going to do it? Again, concentration is that it's a unilateral movement. So it slightly increases the intensity because your leg will be holding your entire body weight also along with the dumbbell. Okay, so lift one leg up, one hand out for the balance. One hand is out so that you don't tilt, okay, it balances you. Now from here, go down on one leg and come back up. The front posture looks like this, okay, yes, and we keep repeating it. Now, watch it from the side. We are here. Lift one leg up, go down. Keep the front knee bent, back leg preferably straight. Okay? And from here, come up. Again, go down. And come back up. Your back remains straight. Don't hunch your back even if you are bending it. Okay? Let's go for it. 8 on each side. Start. 8. Yes. Try to balance yourself first. Yes. Parag, hold your dumbbell in the hand, the leg that is down. So if your left leg is down, your dumbbell should be held in the left hand. Yes, balance, balance. That is the key. Yes. Don't tilt your body should be straight. It should not tilt on the side. Yes, down and up, carry on. Don't hold it there. Keep moving down and up. Down and up, yes. Yes, good Vikram, good. You can fold your back leg which is up in the air. It depends on your flexibility and your body's balance. So you may fold the back leg as well, not an issue. Yes, 8 on each side. Yes, don't go down too much. You don't need to touch the dumbbell on the floor. You don't need to go down too much. Yes, one more set of this movement, 8 to 10 counts. So if 8 was doable, let's do 10 counts, same movement. So again, concentrate on the posture here. The counts and sets are not very important. If your posture is coming right, you're hitting the target muscles. Yes. Go down, Vikram, try balancing yourself. Yes, very good. Come up, yes. So don't fold your elbows, your arms remain straight only when you come up. Yes, good Amrish. Yes, Amrish, now try pausing for a second. Pause and then again come up. Yes. Mansi, bend your front leg. Fold the knee. The leg that is down on the floor, you need to fold the knee as you go down. Yes, good, good. Parag, balance yourself, go down, yes, come up, yes. So it's a very good ankle strengthening exercise as well. Yes, good Dipen, good. Yes, 8 to 10 on each side. Yes, good. Yes, Mansi, keep your body straight. Don't tilt. Okay. Now we look at the next movement. We will be primarily concentrating on our hamstring muscles with that. So that is your leg curl. And how are we going to do it? So you need to be on your all fours here. Lift one leg up. Okay, so this leg is at 90 degrees. Just let me go forward slightly. This leg is at 90 degrees. From here, curl it and straighten it. Curl, straighten. So while you curl, make sure your knee doesn't drop down. It stays there as you curl. Okay, and straighten it completely. Don't leave it halfway. You need to straighten it completely. Curl, straighten. Curl, straighten. Okay, let's go for it. 10 counts on each leg. Be on all fours, everyone. Yes. Yes. Raise your leg first up to 90 degrees. Yes, and then do it. Yes, parallel to the floor.
How many?
10 on each. Yes. Parag, keep looking straight. Yes. Good, Dipen, good. Vikram, don't let your knee drop. Yes. Yes. So entire concentration should be that your leg should stay parallel to the floor. Yes. Very good, Vikram. Excellent. Yes. Good, Dipen, good. Yes. 10 on each. Okay. If you are done one set, you will be doing the second set, same movement, 10 on each. Okay. Not much rest here, guys. Start with the second set. Knee up. So leg, entire leg at parallel, 90 degree. Yes. You will feel it on your glutes as well, not just your hamstrings. You will feel it in your glutes. Straighten completely, Bharat. Straighten your leg completely. Yes. Knee up. Yes. Good, Vikram. Good. Excellent. Okay. Once you are done, you relax. All right. Okay. Now let's look at the calf raises that we are going to do and how are we going to do. So again, we have two sets for that. So you can take the help of a ball or anything in your room so that you don't lose out on balance. Holding a dumbbell is optional, okay? Because again, it's a unilateral movement, so your leg is already holding your body weight. So just place your hand here so that you don't lose your balance. One leg is up, one leg is on the floor. Now from here, lift up, be on your toes, pause, come down. Lift up, be on your toes, pause, come down. So watch it from the side. If I'm here, up, pause, come down. Up, pause, come down. 10 counts on each leg. So knees are soft and straight. Don't bend your knees too much. Start. Yes. Yes, you can hold the dumbbell in whichever leg you wish to. Ideally, the leg that is down. Yes. Good, Amrish. Good. Yes, Parag, lift your leg up. Yes, yes, and down. Up. Yes, pause and down. Yes, good, Dipen, good. Yes, very good, Vikram. Yes, when you go up, you need to pause. That is where your calf muscle will be activated. Yes, go up and pause and down. Go up, pause, down. Second set has a variation, do only one set. Okay. Yes, take it up. Okay. All right. Now let's watch the second set while you're doing this. You can still watch it. So, don't hold the dumbbells in the second set. Just let me lower my camera either. Don't hold the dumbbells. Do it without dumbbells. Just watch it. So this again is for the balance. Now lift one leg up and do 10 of these slowly. Up, pause and down. Okay. Once you are done 10, what you are going to do? You are going to pulse up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So just watch the pulses. So pulses are 8 to 10. So just watch it from this angle. So you take your leg up and down for the 10 counts, and then pulses is up only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Don't let your leg come down when you are pulsing. Alright, got it? So 10 counts slowly up and down, and 10 pulses up only on your toes. Okay, go for it. Without dumbbells. It's a slightly challenging movement. Yes. Up, yes. Pause. Yes, so first 10 is with the pause when you take your legs up. Mansi, pause when you go up. Support your body weight on your toes. That is where your calf muscles will be used. Yes, yes, good Vikram, good. Yes, very good Bharat. I can see your calf popping up from here only. Yes, good Parag, good. Yes, okay. Do the same on the other leg as well. First, make sure you activate your calf muscles by giving it a good pause. Yes, very good Amrish, good, good, good. Okay. Okay. Higher, Mansi, higher, yes. Okay, relax everyone. We are through with our workout. Rest for 30 seconds or so.